Hi guys, I'm Isa. So last lesson, this is what we did. So we're going to the HTML head and body, H1, the headings, the headings H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Then we're the paragraphs, and then learn how to do simple styling, like color and background color. And then learn how to do line breaks. And then learn how to make bold text, and then learn how to do italic text. So what we're going to learn now is ordered and unordered lists and how to make lines. So to make there are two types of lists: ordered lists and unordered lists. Ordered lists are lists that lists that are numbered, and unordered lists are lists that are not numbered. So like, if you have this ordered list, I put an LI. Also, LIs are list items. So LIs are list items. So yeah, so I put list items in all of these lists. You see that the ordered lists, they're numbered, and the unordered lists, they're unnumbered. They're not numbered. They use circles. Use those circle things. So let's write allow style background. What the background is, it's just the same as background color. So it doesn't matter which one you use. When it goes to UL, style, font size, 30px. If we use the font size on the UL or OL, it's going to increase the font size of all of them. It's going to increase the font size of all of them. Those are going to increase the font size of these bullets. So yeah, that's about ordered and unordered lists. I can also add two styles at once to them by going to this place, and then writing another style like background. So do this, and so you can see that the font size is bigger, and the text is. The font size is bigger, and the background is, like that. So I could do the same thing for this one. Font size, I'm gonna write 40px or something, so you can see that its size became big. So anyways, next we're gonna go about the HR. What HR is, it's a horizontal line. So if I make a HR in between our OL and UL, you can see that there's this line, but the line seems too small. To make it bigger, after I HR style, border, I'm just going to choose a color first. We'll choose this. Then I'm going to write 20px. And then solid. I'm going to explain what all of these do in a minute. So as you can see that you have a border. This is the color. This is the pixels. And this is if it's solid or dotted. So if I write dotted, it's going to turn the line into dots. So if I write double, it's going to be like two lines in each other. So anyways, gonna leave it to solid. So anyways, that's the end of today's video. Hope you all enjoyed. And subscribe to our channel for more HTML tutorials. So bye.